The market theme traders brace for Nvidia's earnings. Thursday's direction at Dalal Street will hinge heavily on Nvidia's earnings reaction. Nvidia earnings. Strong results and guidance, positive for IT, semiconductors, data center, and electronics manufacturing stocks. Weak guidance or margin disappointment could trigger profit taking across technology and AI related counters. Our call of the day: trade only the breakout, avoid the middle consolidation. Nifty could face another challenging session, with its immediate consolidation range placed at 24,150 to 24,380. A sustained move above 24,380 could trigger short covering towards 24,500 to 24,700, while a breakdown below 24,150 could drag the index towards 24,000. The biggest risk: US inflation remains sticky. At the time of recording, caution prevails as sticky US PCE inflation pushes Treasury yields higher and reinforces the case for the Federal Reserve to maintain restrictive monetary policy. July headline PCE inflation remained at 3.7% YoY, while core PCE held at 3.3%, well above the Federal Reserve's 2% target. Bottom line: expect a volatile, news-driven trading session. Avoid forecasting direction, trade only after Nifty breaks decisively outside the 24,150 to 24,360 zone. Market trend dashboard. Global cues, negative. FII activity, plus 503 crore. DII activity, plus 6,425 crore. India VIX, 10.56, minus 4.60%. Market breadth, mixed. Overall sentiment, neutral cautious. Nifty setup, failed breakout. Broad Fano zone, 24,000 to 24,500. Brent crude, above $88.50 per barrel. Gold, around $4,593 per ounce. Silver, around $68.05 per ounce. USD INR August futures, 95.68. Derivatives dashboard, 29 September expiry. Nifty PCR, around 1.20. Bank Nifty PCR, around 1.14. FI Nifty PCR, around 0.51. Midcap Nifty PCR, around 1.05. What technicals tell us about Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty? Nifty, 24,208. Immediate support, 24,121. Major resistance, 24,380. Expected range, 24,100 to 24,300. Bias, caution. 21 DMA, 24,390. 50 DMA, 24,208. 100 DMA, 23,992. 200 DMA, 24,666. Sensex, 77,473. Immediate support, 76,823. Major resistance, 78,100. Expected range, 76,900 to 77,700. Bias, caution. 21 DMA, 77,952. 50 DMA, 77,472. 100 DMA, 76,766. 200 DMA, 79,592. Bank Nifty, 57,784. Make or break support, 56,900. Major resistance, 58,248. Expected range, 57,300 to 58,300. Bias, bullish. 21 DMA, 57,598. 50 DMA, 57,631. 100 DMA, 56,295. 200 DMA, 57,453. Stock market news. Expect Nifty to tread water. Hopefully stock-specific session shall command investors' attention. Thursday's trading playbook. 1. Avoid trading aggressively. 2. Avoid directional trades inside the 24,125 to 24,380 chop zone. 3. Keep strict stop losses as India VIX near 10.57 may be underpricing event risk. 4. Reduce position sizes in IT and AI-related stocks until Nvidia's market reaction stabilizes. 5. Iran-Oman negotiations concerning the Strait of Hormuz. Sectors likely to outperform. Private banks, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank displayed relative strength on Wednesday. Metals, Tata Steel, JSW Steel Sale and select metal stocks like Hindalco retain positive trading momentum. Shipping, Great Eastern Shipping remains in focus ahead of its buyback decision. Sectors likely to underperform. IT, Nvidia's reaction and higher H-1B visa costs could keep volatility elevated. Reliance Industries, Wednesday's breakdown warrants caution until the stock regains momentum. Stocks to watch. Positive bias, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, SAIL. Negative cautious bias, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, HCL Tech, Reliance Industries, Varun Beverages, HUL.